Hello,
Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you doing?
I'm always fantastic. Thank you so much for asking. How about you?
That's great. I'm also doing great. So how was
Mhm.
the weekend? What all did you do this weekend?
Oh, weekend. Of course, today is Wednesday, right? Is
Hmm.
it?
I think it's a Wednesday. Yeah.
Exactly. So on Saturday and Sunday, I must tell you on weekend what I did. And Saturday, I had visited the doctor. I have told you or not. I have the problem in my right ear. So I had visited a doctor on Saturday, or on Sunday, I had visited the ISKCON International Society for Krishna Consciousness. They have a temple in my city, Kanpur. So I had visited that, and on that day it was Ekadasi. So I took prasadam at afternoon and evening also. So it was fantastic spending time there in ISKCON.
Oh, that's great. So what happened to your right ear? I don't know the story about that.
Actually, the thing is that I don't know what is the cause. I'm not able to find it out. I have been working on my communication skills for the long time. So I used to use neckband or earbuds or something. So I got the
Mhm.
problem in my right ear. So when 2 or 3 months ago, when I had visited the doctor, he found it out and he diagnosed that you have fungal infection in your right ear, and I took the treatment for a month. And after a month again, but it was not proper, I was getting some problems. Then again I had visited the doctor and I asked him. Then this time he was able to find it out that I have just little hole in my eardrum. So right ear. So this problem I got. Okay, whatever it is.
So
So
like,
nowadays I'm under the medication. Whether it will be treatable for the medicine, then it's fine. If it is not treatable by the medicine, then I'll go for the operation, of course.
so they'll like stretch your eardrum or what?
Yes, I don't know what will be the system, or they will just put a new eardrum, or they will just that will be the process. I don't know what will be, but the operation means they will just fix that by
Ah.
operating.
Oh, or they might just have to cut the ear, I guess,
Yeah,
if it doesn't work.
exactly. That's why, like, they will just, put this year out, and after that, they will do and fix all those things, and after that, they will put the year back, and they will just sew like that. So,
Yeah, that sounds really weird, but
yeah,
okay, it has to be done, right? There's no other way. Yeah.
exactly. Of course. I think in the beginning, when I heard, I was afraid. At that day, when he told me, I was shocked. Oh my goodness, operation, such a big thing. But after that, I now, of course, no problem. It's okay, whatever it is. I can't change, right? So,
True, yeah.
mhm,
So now you're
mhm.
ready for the
So what
operation,
about?
right? You're not afraid anymore.
I'll go for it. Of course, if it is the permanent solution. Basically, there is no permanent solution in this material world, but I'll go
Mhm.
for just this one, whatever it is. So yes, I'll go for the operation if it is not treatable by the medicines. I'm trying to find out the way if it is possible to treat by the medicines. If it can be healed, then of course good. If not, then of
Mhm.
course I'll go for it. So
Yeah.
what about
So now
you? Like, how was your weekend so far, and how's your Clapingo journey going?
it's going great. By the way, I'm meeting a lot of new people as well here. So that's the cool thing, I guess. And about the weekend, like my studio monitors arrived this last week, I would say. So this Sunday, I was kind of checking them out, how they sound and stuff. So I guess next Sunday or maybe next week, we will set them up. We'll get a table and we'll set them up properly. So
Uh-huh.
that was the whole weekend, they said. How was the ISKCON experience? Like, I have never been to an ISKCON temple.
Oh, just for me, it's really amazing. I have been visiting like frequently. So, they have their own system and stuff. So, ISKCON is really nice. Going there as a visitor, this is of course nice, and you can go there as a devotee also. I mean to say that you can tell people, you can serve there, and you can take part
Um,
in those artis and stuff. So, it's been amazing, and I do visit ISKCON on Sunday. So and they have a program in on 7th of April in ISKCON Kanpur. So Amog Leela Das Prabhu is just about to come there on 7th. I think you might know
Oh,
him, Amog Leeladas Prabhu. He's a
I'm
motivational
not. I'm not
speaker.
into. No, no.
Do
I'm
you
not
know
into like
Gorgopal
spiritual.
Das?
I'm
No,
not into this kind
you
of
don't
things.
know? Okay, no problem. But you can check it out on YouTube. They people
I'll definitely.
now you can see a lot of videos of them. So he is just about to come, and I think you might know Crazy Hoppers. Crazy Hoppers, the dance group from the India's Got Talent.
I might have seen them, but I don't remember the name. I have bad memory. I told
Okay,
you, I guess, right?
they will
I
also attend that program. And apart from this, there is a one send artist Sarvam Patel. So the few artists will be there, and the program is well organized from 5 to 8:30. So I'm hoping that I'll be there on day after tomorrow. Today is 5th April, so on 6th and 7th
seventh.
they
It's on
have.
seventh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Like all the best for that, by the way. I hope it's gonna be great.
Oh, thank you. So,
And you.
like, I was just I was curious to know that, like, you take Clapingo sessions. That so, how do you just if you would like to take sessions continuously as you take that, you have the potential to take sessions for 8 to 9 hours. But if
Mhm.
you are putting all those sessions, you're able to do that, or I mean to say that, are you getting whole sessions, or just you get the
Yeah,
gap or something?
sometimes there's a break for like 10 minutes or so. Like we open 1 hour slots, right? As tutors.
Hmm.
If there's booking like half an hour booking and then a 20-minute session. Right. So if there's a half an hour session and a 20-minute session. So there's a 10-minute gap between them. Right.
Hmm.
So like that we get some sort of gaps in between. But if there are continuous bookings like 20 minute, 20 minute, 20 minutes, then it's 60 minutes booking, right? Complete book. So then we have no gap. But most of the
Okay,
time
then
there are gaps.
yeah, so it means you are taking sessions with the 25 minutes also, or with the slot
Mhm.
of 25 minutes, and it goes around 29 minutes.
Yeah, yeah, like that. And sometimes it also happens that a lot of learners don't attend the sessions, right? So that is also kind of a gap only.
But I can understand, and I know that but you will have to be there. You will have to wait for
Mhm.
the 15 minutes, even though in the last moment also, if the student is attending, you will have to attend that call, right? Is it?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. Totally.
So you are free somewhat, but you are not totally free. You can't go. You will have
Hmm.
to sit in the front. You can check it out. But if I have the problem and if I'm joining after 5 minutes, but after that also you will have to sit there. You are free for 5 minutes, but you will have to sit there if I'm attending that after 5 minutes, right?
Hmm.
That's
That's
how
true.
it
I just
goes.
use my phone for that time, or I just scroll Instagram or something for that gap, if there is that kind of gap.
Yes. And apart from this, like, so how many days ago you open your slots? Like, if I'll talk about tomorrow, that have you opened your slots for tomorrow, over tomorrow, or just
Hmm.
how do you
Yeah, yeah.
schedule it?
They're open for the whole week except Sunday. I think like last month, yeah. I closed my Sunday slots because I think I need 1 day gap. I need a
Hmm.
time to rest, right? So only Sunday slots are closed. Other than that, everything is open
But the thing is
the
that
whole
if
week.
you want, you can open your slots on Sundays as well, right? It's up to
Yes,
you.
yes, yes. Totally, yeah. That's up to me.
But you are taking by just that gap by yourself on Sunday,
Mhm.
and you are booking your slots for 6 days. You're opening your slots, and people they can book them whenever they want. So do you get
Yes.
regular students also sometimes? As I'm talking to you for the second time, but the some
Mhm.
students do you get on often basis?
Yes, there are actually a lot of students like that. There was one girl, not girl,
Hmm.
kind of girl, you can say she was married. She literally booked session only with me. I don't know why, but she
Yeah, it
booked
means,
sessions
but it
only
is
with me
good, like
until her
Mhm.
subscription ended
Mm.
till that time. And right now also I have a lot of students who are regular. So that's happening.
Yeah, but it is nice, Divyans, because the thing is that when you are booking the session with a single person, he will know you better, right? And apart from
Hmm.
this, he will be able to know about the whole. If you are talking to me on a regular basis, you will know that what kind of activities I do, how much time I have to devote for this, or just you will know all those things. But when I'm talking to you for the first time, you will not be able to do it, that how do I spend my day, right?
No.
So in that say, it is better to have a conversation with one tutor for a long time, so you can give the some good constructive feedbacks.
That's true, yeah. But the Clapingo team told me that if someone takes sessions only with you, then you have to recommend them to take sessions with other tutors as well. Because taking sessions only with one person will make them way too comfortable, right? So if they don't challenge
Yes.
themselves, if they like remain comfortable, then that won't cause growth. They would kind of get stagnant right there. So
Of course, you are absolutely
that is it.
right. What I feel, when you are in a stage where you are able to express yourself, then you can go for and book the tutors. But what I feel, when a person is just below average, or he
Hmm.
just, then it is going for a same tutor, it is nice because you will understand him better. I will give you an example. If I
Okay.
will visit a doctor, okay, today I'm visiting a doctor which is different, like who is different, and tomorrow I'm visiting a doctor who is different, then how he will be
Hmm.
able to diagnose my disease and how he will know the
Uh,
growth, like what I did, right?
hmm.
So in that sense, if I will visit the same doctor like 4 weeks, then he will be able to understand the improvement and he will be able to do the just better study on me. But when
Hmm.
if I'll go today and visit a doctor in Delhi, tomorrow I'll visit in Kolkata, and overmorrow I'll visit the Chennai, then of course it is
Yeah.
it is difficult for the doctors to find out your problems. Once
True, yeah.
your disease is like normal, I mean to say that if you will go to anyone, it can be cured, then it's fine. But when you are in a
Hmm.
serious like situation, you have to visit like one. But if you are not getting better, then you should change your doctor, right?
That's true. Oh, today I was checking out your channel in the morning and I saw some Ace Fluency videos as well.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So what is
Yes.
that app? Like, what's the scene with that app?
So
I don't know
Ace
what.
Fluency, I have been using Ace Fluency for more than a year. This when I used to do practice, they used to provide free minutes. They do provide free minutes even though now. So you can talk on like with the strangers on like audio calls. First thing is that. Second thing, now they come up with their one-on-one video sessions also. They are providing one-on-one sessions similar like Clapingo or just Cambly. So this is
Mhm.
an application, and apart from this, they have expert talk also. You can, if you are not comfortable just interacting people on camera, you can have the expert talk. Recently I had uploaded a video was about, all about this like expert talk function. They have a lot of features on their application, and they do have recorded courses also. So Ace Fluency is a application where they have a lot of function features and functions. They are expanding those things nowadays.
Hmm. So it is kind of like the same thing as Clappingo, but in a different way.
In a
The approach is
different
pretty
way. They
different.
do have a little bit different taste. I mean to say that they
Hmm.
have different features and functions. In Clapingo, I think they do provide recorded courses also, and they do
Hmm.
provide one-on-one. But recorders, just Clapingo is not having the function of just interacting people, and they don't provide
Hmm.
like strangers call or something for free or something like that, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Mhm. No,
Right.
it's not a problem. This is very open thing, of course. Like, yeah, you can
Hmm.
because the teachers and tutors, they are always free to take sessions. It is all about your timings, right? If you have a lot of time, you can take sessions anywhere, wherever you want.
That's true. Yeah. By the way, the topic for today, that's kind of cool. It's what if you could stop time, right?
Oh, how can I stop, man? Do you
It
think
doesn't
will
mention
I
that.
be able to stop?
It doesn't mention the how. It mentions what if you could do that, right? So what would
Yes,
you do if you could stop time any point in your life?
oh my goodness. I think in this sense, I think I don't have a lot of opinions and thoughts about it, that if I will stop time, and actually, I think you can ask something general and whatever the questions you have apart from this topic. Like, what will I do if I will stop time?
You could go to any store or something and you get anything for free, right? Basically, it would be stealing, but okay, right? You could
Yeah,
get anything for
such
free.
kind of yeah, such kind of things are against our values, man.
Can be said, yeah, in a way.
Yeah, I can actually, of course, if I can stop time in that sense, I would love to change something. I would become Rather than, of course not, I must say that it was fine whatever it was, and what it is fine whatever it is. But I would become more sincere about the spirituality if I would stop time. Then I would love to become more sincere about the spirituality before, but at this moment I'm trying to go deeper and understand the meaning of spirituality. But the thing is that it's fine whatever it is. That's what I say, that I don't have a lot of thoughts about it. It's okay if it's never too late. So yeah,
Hmm.
whatever it is. Mhm. What
What all
about
things
you?
do you
What
want to?
will you do, like, if you will stop time?
I literally told you the first thing that came to my mind, and I don't think it's a really good thing, but okay, yeah, I would also try.
You will go to a store and you will steal a lot of stuff, and
Not a lot of stuff, maybe like a gems packet or something. That
oh
is
my
good.
goodness.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay, let's.
I can
We are
understand. That's nice.
doing illegal
Mhm.
talks. Okay, yeah. You were into spirituality, right? You were just mentioning that. So, how has your experience been going with that?
Yeah, recently I started working on that, and I'm reading a book that is Think Like a Monk, written by Jay Shetty. So he has like experienced that life for 3 years. He was a former monk. He was monk in India for 3 years, and he was born and raised in London. But after that, he was in India or in monastery for being a monk. So yes, it is really nice. I'm able to understand that just we are not supreme. There is something else. Human beings are there, but something else is there, which is the supreme power, and we will have to give the respect to that. I don't just add this spirituality with a religion. That's totally different. But the spirituality
Hmm.
is something, believing in something, that somebody is there who is controlling this thing, and things are happening automatically. It doesn't mean like nobody is there. So yeah, that's what I'm experiencing, and it is a very wide and deep topic. Now we are discussing with like few seconds. I don't really think so this is the right time to discuss. But
Um,
yes, it is knowing, like knowing deep and deep as much as you can.